Hi, Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Today we're on the steam oven. We're going to show you how to make a quick and easy dessert. So we have these little masons, and all we did was mix up some chocolate molten cake mix, and we're going to put our steam oven on right here. So we're going to go convection steam 100% at 225 degrees, okay? So open this guy up, and the idea is with the steam and the convection, the moisture is really going to make the batter puff up, rise, really get to a nice texture without it overcooking, okay? So we'll slide this right in. And I just put a paper towel on the bottom just so they don't slide, so it won't hurt in cooking, and those are just mason jars. So up here, 225, it's going to take 8 to 10 minutes, okay? And we'll see the result at the end. All right, everyone, timer's up. We're ready to roll. Let's open the door and see what we got. Look at that. Isn't that cool with the steam? So let's pull this out. Excuse my chefness. Look how cool. See what we started with and see the volume on these now? Look how fun that is. Look at that. Perfectly done cake. Ready to roll. Now we'll let it cool, put some whipped cream on it, but texture so spongy. That's great, isn't it? See how much more volume you gain in steam, but the dexterity is right there. It's just so soft. Super quick and easy dessert. Hope everyone enjoys that.